These are the service cars at Condell. Dover as well, looks like. Yeah, these also are former Dovers. EPCO. Just don't have medical service on them. That's odd. They have a door hold toggle switch. You going down?
Yeah. Are you going for a ride?
I meant to go down, but it went up.
Shoot, we're gonna stop at every floor. Lower level?
Yes. Thank you.
Going down? Oh, okay.
Go ahead.
Oh, it's all good.
Thank you.
No problem. Sorry.
It's okay.
No problem. Have a good day. That shit at map was done by Lakeland. Anyway, that will be it. This one's here now.